what is good singing posture and why do you need it? In this video, I will answer those questions and I'm going to show you my best singing posture tips. Hi, I'm Vanessa E, vocal coach and singer-songwriter with You Can Sing Too. And I believe great singers are not born, they're made. And that's why I'm passionate to help you reach your singing goals. I've coached hundreds of singers and I am a singer myself, so I want to uncomplicate great vocal technique and teach you simple yet effective tools that really get great results and help you to sing with more confidence, freedom, power, and range. So if you like this video, make sure to click like and please hit that subscribe button, as I want to be able to help as many singers like you as I can. I also have a free singing goodie for you to help you sing better. So you're going to want to make sure to stay tuned so you can get the information on how to get that. All right, so what is good singing posture and why is it important? All right, well, good singing posture is when your body is relaxed in a position that allows the vocal sound to flow freely and easily so that nothing is getting in the way of that free and good sound. And it's important because we want it to not only feel good, right, when we're singing, but we also want it to sound good. So as I share these tips, I don't want you to overthink this so that you've got all these things going on in your mind, like, oh, first I have to do this and then I have to do that. And you just want to get used to feeling this, and then you're going to be just fine and you're going to sing with great posture. Okay, I do recommend that you check yourself singing in front of the mirror so that you can apply these tips and see if you are using good singing posture, and if not, you can make the corrections. Okay, so let's go to singing posture tip number 1, and that is to loosen up. So I like to do just some movements before I sing just to loosen up my neck and my shoulders. You know, I kind of call it loosey-goosey. And it's really nothing special. It's just to kind of get you to be relaxed. So just kind of move your neck side to side, move your shoulders, just getting your body from tensing up or locking up, okay? Which leads me to number 2, which is straighten up, but don't lock up. Okay, so our moms told us to sit up straight or stand up straight, right? So we want to do that, but we don't want to do it in a tense way. We want to do it in a relaxed way. So you want to keep your shoulders and your neck relaxed in an upright position, and you want to avoid slouching of your neck and your shoulders and obviously of your back. So we don't want that. And most of us don't think we do that, but that's why we need to check our posture, because sometimes we may be doing that. Or we may be, I see singers do this because they're, you know, getting that adrenaline for singing and they go, so the shoulders are up. So you definitely want to make sure that you avoid that. Just be relaxed. Shoulders are down, relaxed, okay? And my number 3 point or tip for you is to stand up when you're singing a powerful song. Anything that's going to have power and that you're going to really need to, you know, just get that sound nice and strong out there, you want to be standing up. Okay, so that allows you to get more breath support. It allows you to control it and then just use your body for the power moves, I guess. And I'm going to show you some power moves that are going to help you be able to just let that sound come out, but to be able to make it nice and strong. Okay, all right, so number 4 is proper breath support and an open jaw. Okay, so we're doing this at the same time, and this is really important for good posture because, like I said, you want your shoulders down. So when we breathe, we don't want to go like this. We want to take a nice low breath that you're going to feel around your waist, and you're going to open the jaw as you breathe. So it's just like this. My shoulders are down, my neck is straight, and I'm just going to breathe like this. Taking a low breath, feeling my rib cage expand. You feel the air around here, not up here, like that, okay? That's good singing posture, nice and healthy, and really good for opening up the back of the throat and letting the sound flow because the jaw is open when you breathe, okay? All right, and number 5 is to avoid the high neck or the forward neck, like this. And that's something that can happen, you know, when you're singing. You can just all of a sudden do this, you got the mic and maybe you're doing that. Or maybe you're going like this and you don't realize it. So make sure that your neck is straight. And that if you tend to kind of lock up, one thing that's really important is just to move. So you can move your neck side to side. So let's say you're singing a high note and you kind of want to, you know, make sure that neck is relaxed. And this actually helps too. It helps release tension. And so you go, ah, ah. Okay. Or another really cool move I like, and this is really good for helping with power, is you put one leg forward and just lean in to that, into your support of the leg. And then you're going to kind of lean your body forward because now you're like got this good like power stance, right? And then you're going to open your jaw and you're going to just slightly put your head down. This is going to help release tension from the neck and the back of the throat, and also helps with high notes. So if you go, ah, you know, ah, and you want to get that power in there, you're just kind of putting your head down a little bit and you're getting that power stance. And that's really good to just get your whole body into it. Like I said, release the tension, and it's good singing posture as well. And it looks cool. So make sure to try that. Like I said, side to side. And if you tend to get stiff when you're singing, just make sure to move a little bit. You know, you can kind of move side to side, you know, figure out what you like and what looks cool. That's why you can practice in front of a mirror. So, you know, you can just even just move your feet, walk side to side a little bit. Or, you know, some singers will just, you know, like you're telling a story as you're singing, so you can walk. You know, use that stage or practice when you're doing that so that you're not locking up, so that you have good singing posture. You want it to be nice and relaxed, and everything is not getting strained or locking up. Okay, so follow these tips, and like I said, use that mirror to check your posture, and you will be singing with awesome posture. Remember, you don't have to overthink it. You just want it to feel good and to check it, and you're going to be singing with great singing posture. Also, remember to get your free singing goodie, which is my high note cheat sheet. And this has breathing tips for you to make sure you get the right breath and show you how to keep relaxed to nail those high notes like a pro. So make sure you just click the link in the description to get that. And make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And I will see you next time. Happy singing.